Good morning. Today we talk about a small rule that can save your day. It is called the 5-minute start rule. Most people do not fail because they are weak. They fail because they wait. They wait for the right mood. They wait for confidence. They wait for more time. But here is the truth. You do not need a perfect mood to start. You only need 5 minutes. Let me tell you a short story. A man wants to go to the gym. He pays for the membership. He buys new shoes. He watches videos. He talks about his plan. Then Monday comes. He feels tired. He says, "I will go tomorrow." Tomorrow comes. He feels nervous. He says, "Next week I will start strong." Next week comes. Nothing happens. Why? Because his brain is protecting him. Your brain likes comfort. Starting feels like danger. Not real danger, but your brain feels it. So your brain creates excuses. Not now. Not today. I am not ready. I need more energy. I will do it later. The 5-minute start rule is a trick, a clean, honest trick. You tell your brain, I will only do 5 minutes. That's it. No pressure, no big promise. 5 minutes is small. 5 minutes feels safe. Your brain says, okay, I can do that. And once you start, something changes. Your body warms up. Your mind gets clearer. The task becomes smaller. You get momentum. Momentum is the real secret, not motivation, momentum. Here is the rule in one sentence. When you avoid a task, do only 5 minutes of it. Now, let's make it practical. Step 1. Choose one task, not 10 tasks. One task. Example, write 1 page, study 1 lesson, clean 1 corner, send 1 email, do 10 push-ups, open your code and fix 1 small thing. Step 2. Set a timer for 5 minutes, a real timer. Phone timer is okay, but do not open social apps. Just set the timer and start. Step 3. When the timer ends, you have 2 options. Option A, stop. Yes, you can stop. The rule still works because you started and you proved something to yourself. You proved, I can begin. Option B, continue. If you feel okay, continue. Many days you will continue because the hardest part is already done. Now, I want to show you why this rule works. Your brain hates big pain, but your brain accepts small pain. 5 minutes is small pain, so your brain allows it. Also, 5 minutes breaks the 0. 0 is dangerous. 0 days create a weak identity. 0 days create shame. But 5 minutes creates a new identity. I am a person who starts. And identity is powerful. Now, let's use 3 simple scenarios. Scenario 1, work. You have an important task, maybe a report, maybe a website, maybe a presentation. You feel pressure, so you escape, you check messages, you scroll, you eat, you delay. Use the rule. Open the file, write 1 ugly sentence, or make 1 slide, or create 1 small list. 5 minutes. That's enough. After that, your brain is already inside the work. Then it becomes easier to continue. Scenario 2, health. You want to train, but you feel lazy. Use the rule. Put on your shoes. Walk for 5 minutes. That's all. Many times after 5 minutes, you keep walking. If you stop, it is still a win because you did not break your chain. Scenario 3, learning. You want to learn a skill, maybe writing, maybe coding, maybe a language. You sit down and you feel pressure. You think, I need to do 1 hour. Your brain becomes heavy, so you delay. Instead, say, I will do 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, you can read one small part. You can write 5 sentences. You can review 10 words. You can solve one tiny problem. Small work is still work. Small work builds trust. Trust becomes confidence. Confidence becomes identity. Now, I want to share 2 mistakes people make. Mistake 1, they make 5 minutes too big. They say 5 minutes, but they plan a huge thing. No, 5 minutes must be simple. If your task is build a business, that's too big. Make it smaller. 5 minutes can be write one product idea, send one message to one customer, fix one small bug, write one paragraph for your website, or write one clear offer sentence. Mistake 2, they use 5 minutes as a lie. They say 5 minutes, but they already know they won't do it. Be honest. Do the 5 minutes. Keep your promise, even if it looks small. Because the goal is not speed. The goal is trust. Now, let's go one level deeper. Often, the problem is not the task. The problem is friction. Friction is the small pain before the work. For example, your laptop is messy. Your notes are lost. Your room is loud. Your phone is next to you. So starting feels hard. So here is a bonus rule. Make starting easier. Do a 2-minute setup before your 5 minutes. Do this. Put your phone far away. Open only one tab. Put water near you. Remove one distraction. This small setup reduces friction. Now 5 minutes feels possible. Also use an if-then plan. Say this, if it is 10 a.m., then I start 5 minutes. If I feel lazy, then I start 5 minutes. If I want to scroll, then I start 5 minutes. This turns your rule into a system, and systems beat emotions. Now, let me tell you a second short story. There's a builder. He has a big dream, but he is tired. He has stress. He has bills. He has doubts. Some days he can do 3 hours. Some days he can only do 5 minutes. But he never goes to 0. He always touches the work, even a small touch. One note, one message, one page, one bug fix, one idea. After months, people say, you're lucky, but it was not luck. It was small starts, every day. Now, listen carefully. Your life is not changed by big days. Your life is changed by small days. The days you don't feel ready. The days you feel bored. The days you feel low. If you can start on those days, you become dangerous in a good way. You become reliable. You become a builder. So here's a simple daily plan. Every morning, choose one main thing. One thing that moves your life forward. Write it down in one line. Then, when you feel resistance, do 5 minutes, just 5. After 5 minutes, ask this question, can I do 5 more? If yes, do 5 more. If no, stop and respect yourself. You still won the day because you did not run away. Before we finish, we will do a short, calm reset. This helps your mind start. Breathe in slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2. Breathe out slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now do it one more time. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now let's do a short practice together. This part is foreshadowing. Listen, then repeat. Ready? Sentence 1.
I start before I feel ready. Sentence 2, I only need 5 minutes. Sentence 3, action creates momentum. Sentence 4, small steps build big results. Sentence 5, I keep promises to myself. Sentence 6, I do the work even on low days. Sentence 7, I do not wait for the perfect mood. Sentence 8, I begin and my mind becomes clear. Sentence 9, today I start again. Sentence 10, 5 minutes is enough to change my direction. Good. Now I want to leave you with a calm challenge. Today, pick one thing you are avoiding, just one, and do 5 minutes of it, right after this episode. No drama.